so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work. Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun. Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hat is. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big hug for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No. What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Hello. Welcome to the Sunday stream. Hope everyone's doing well, hope everyone's doing good, hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome to the stream. Hello Crow, hello Afro. That's my new Uber driver. Am I? You better be getting paid, bro. Out there. Hello. I'm guessing no face cam today? No. It is warm. I am not wearing any layers whatsoever. And I do not want people to see my bare chest. So, you know, it's yeah. We're going back to our usual scheduled PNG tuber. Because why not? Hello Fire Tiger, hope you're doing well. Paid in compliments, America took all my money. Damn. Well, listen, unfortunately, just like what's it called? Exposure does not pay the bills. Compliments do not pay the gas bills. So I'm so sorry. It'd be like that sometimes. No titties today. I mean, I do have titties, just not on stream. I don't want to get banned, and I also don't want to give people PTSD from being, like, topless. Because I feel like once I start showing my chest, you guys will not enjoy it. No titties for free, at least. Exactly. This is where I'm launching my. I'm kidding. I'm not launching anything. Anyway, it's Sunday Vibe Day today, which means we're gonna be doing Crime Scene Cleaner. We're gonna be doing Crime Scene Cleaner. Hopefully, finishing it today. We have the big museum to take care of, so we'll see. And then we have like another mission, I think, and that's it. So we'll see. Now, question is, I need to make sure that my camera isn't on in the in the game screen. It isn't. We're good. Ooh. Fuck. There we go. Must keep himself healthy. It's not more so healthy, it's more so... Yeah, I do have to, like, have some kind of breathability happening. A little bit of breathability. Hold on, I wanna... Because I can see that... Hold on. Let's increase the sensitivity up a little bit. There we go.
Back to work.
I'm a lesbian, so I don't think I care. That's fair. I mean, other people do care. I could use tits. I could do with some tits, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. But no. Twitch integrated throwing system, and we could give it a whole lot of money for that. I think. Doesn't that only work for, like, 2D, like, VTubers? Or, like, doesn't it work for, like actual VTubers and not PingTubers? Hold on, let me quickly change something real quick. Yeah, that's fine. That works. That works for me. Alright. Put this back on. There we go. Hello. Phaedra was using it when he still had his paper model. Oh, interesting. I'll look it up. Hold on. How do I search up tits on Google without being jump scared by tits? Okay. Tutorial for PingTubers.
Hey y'all, TMG here, and here you please the outline and
Okay. I'll look it up and that maybe have it ready for like next stream. I didn't know I could do it with what's it called? With PNG tubers, so the fact that I know I can now is very pog, to say the least. What am I doing? Money. Money. Money.
First things first. Gotta scrub, scrub, scrub.
But yeah, how we're all doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Hope everyone's doing very good. everyone's chilling and vibing. Just clean this surfaces while we're here. That's cleaned. Money. Money. That doesn't need to be cleaned. Anything else that needs to be cleaned? It's just the floor now. Okay. Hello, Vespa. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. There isn't as much movement on your end, but we can still throw stuff at you. Ah, fair enough. Yeah, see, I wouldn't know. Listen, this is... The last time I did, like, PNG tuber stuff was... It wasn't even last
Certainly
year.
a cozy place to watch people fight for their lives.
It wasn't even last year. It was, like, before I actually moved to Poland. Where's the bucket? Oh, there they are. Wait, hello, Vespa. Hope you're doing well. Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. I thought I'd say this about missing taxes. That's a sentence that no one has ever repeated ever. Full stop. So I came back from London to my hotel, and tomorrow I'm going out to Birmingham. Okay, hell yeah, let's go. Hopefully it's going to be fun. Hopefully it's going to be a good time.
Rock and roll eats the rich, as it was meant to be in the first place.
Should probably take one of the buckets here, to be honest. Bring this. Mentally preparing myself for tomorrow because of how completely just a headache it is to get the information for my jury duty, and technically it's just the jury duty selection deep process. Is it that much of a pain in the ass? Jesus Christ. For me, it was like... It wasn't that bad. They just like... jury duty time. And I was like, okay, I guess. And then that's pretty much it. Also, my suitcase broke. I lost a wheel. No, that's not good. How did that happen? Did that happen like during transport of like in the airport and stuff? Or did you do it yourself? Okay, well, this is gonna get replaced now. Nice. Alright, cool. Thank you. Because I might see someone. Ooh, Pog. I hope you do. Alright, honestly, I think I just missed the feeling I had in Texas, which was very happy. Ah, fair enough. The Texas usually wouldn't give it that feeling just in general, full stop, I feel like. Although, I could be proven wrong. Usually it's not, but they've emailed us twice because they're emailing us with information now. Not that came pieces of information, like the second one. They left out that the day we were supposed to show up and they gave us the time, but they did not give us the day. That's kind of... That's kind of... You know, that's kind of vital information for, like, you know, jury duty and stuff. It's kind of stupid. Should be, like, the #1 priority. At least you'd think, right? the floor cleaned. I think that's the floor cleaned, right? Just like a few bits and bobs. Oh. Hello, Johannes. Hope you're doing well. Well, honestly, I'm having a great time, but I don't know when I'll be back. I miss home so much, and it's so overwhelming. You don't know when you'll be back? What do you mean? Don't you have a return ticket? I'm gonna say it's not the politics though, fair. Particularly since we can't get either found or thrown in jail for that. Yes, yeah. Yeah. It's kinda shit that they don't give you the information. Although, that being said, the fact that, like, you know, you could get fined or thrown in jail, you could potentially just throw the argument of, like, you could throw the argument of, like, they didn't inform you about what, like, specific day it is and shit. Because that is a valid excuse that you missed your jury duty because no one fucking saying anything. Let's see. Did I not clean that up? I did. You are going here. Nice. Actually, they had to resend the email back with the date because I think they had people emailed saying them what day we were supposed to show up today. What's going on? Good. Okay, good. As long as people are actually being like, hello? What the fuck? When are we meant to come in? You don't want to get put in prison. Hello, May. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. It's the most valid fucking response, because, like, what the fuck? Ooh, cocaine. Yeah, I'm also thinking about potentially getting a new PNG tuber model, potentially. Because we have Crosshair as, you know, we have Crosshair as, like, the guy that, like, you know, as the, like, the point redeem and stuff. We have Crosshair as that, and I don't want to, like, have double Crosshair overlap, you know what I mean? Maybe at some point we And by we, I mean me. I commissioned the artist that did this model. Maybe I commissioned them to do a new model for me, which I already have a plan for. I do want to try at some point. This is like further down in the future, maybe potentially. I do want to maybe try and... Nice, cool, yeah. Where the fuck did it... What? Am I... Oh, nice. I do maybe want to try and get like a 2D model. But we'll see, I don't know. I'm kind of just like... You know. Right now I have various different priorities that are not this. Like a live 2D model, something like that, yeah. But them shit's expensive. Them shit's costing money. Yeah, we do this one by one. And then the trash is like left over here, which we can just take care of like whenever. This is going straight to the dinosaur, if I remember correctly. There we go. Did we like take out the trash in here? Yeah, we did. Okay, so we're gonna... Take this. For now, there's... The fuck? For now, there's other things to, like, focus on, to be honest. You... Going back here. Thought I picked that up. Huh. Let's place that here. There is a hi-hat over here. Go, and then there is a... Let's clean this up real quick. There we go. Does he... Okay, I was gonna say, this is... Fair enough. Okay. Gonna be a lot of back and forth in this map. That does not belong to you. That belongs to... Who does it belong to? Does it belong to you? Doesn't belong to you. Oh, fuck's sake. Alright. Wait, does it not belong to you? Oh, it's like, okay. Okay, I guess. Sake. Trash.
Can't pick up anything with a full bag. That guy must have really spoiled their fun.
Any more? Guess upstairs? Question mark. Yeah, that's it. Cool. I'll be delayed. I'm in and out of consciousness because of heat. I drank fluids and I have cold compress, but still. Yeah, shit's not good. Shit is not good, let me tell you that. Shit is in fact quite opposite of good. Too warm. I hate it. Nothing here. Nothing here. Yeah. Nothing here. Right. Alright, time to take care of this mess. Bro, I've been like... It's been... like, really fucking warm. It's meant to be, like, raining today. But... it hasn't been. And, like, the rain is definitely not gonna help anyway, but, like, at least it's gonna cool down a little bit, but still. Shit out.
Papa, what's this BS I hear about you replacing me?
You're not being replaced. You're just being there's just two of you right now. Get rid of the trash. One more percent? What the fuck do you mean 1 more percent? Oh, don't tell me it's like... Oh wait, hold on. Guessing it's up here. No?
Papa doesn't love me anymore. Crying face emoji.
That's the secret, Crosshair. I've never loved you. Goes here.
The triplets are back together.
Papa has stolen my face.
Oopsies. Also, he's not talking, I think. I think I can see he's not, like, when he's meant to be speaking, he's not actually, like, speaking.
Please, don't come back to life.
I think that might be because I have made a whoopsie whilst getting the pink Chiba model. I'll not move the bucket, no I didn't. Just... Thanks, video game. It's like stuck on 99%. Where's the last bit? Oh, I'm gonna fucking hate this. Whatever. But isn't Papa supposed to be the who you're supposed to look like? Maybe. Nah, he looks more like Mum, bro. You know, it's really weird. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It is really, really weird, right? Because, like I said, I'm currently, like, not wearing a shirt. And I'm streaming right now. But, like, I'm constantly scared that the camera is, like, on the stream. And I'm scared that I'm just genuinely, like, streaming me being topless. There's something about, like, just usually, like, streaming with a camera on, and then just, like, one day not having the camera on, and it's really, like, disorientating. Fuck you as well. You know what?
Time for a bag swap.
Oh, we're saying all your tits were not. All of my tits? Even the fourth and the fifth one? The sixth one? Clicks keyboard nonsensically, I'm in. Listen. Here's the funny thing right now. My camera, it is on. It is currently on. However, I pointed it upwards.
Is this just my imagination, or am I seeing a lot of ducks lately?
I am pointing it very much upwards. So that, like, even if it was accidentally on OBS, you would not see anything. Sorry to disappoint. This place is clean. Out. Oh, this is the North exhibition. If you don't give a chat headpants, I'll release the footage. There's no footage. Nothing. I'm going to give a nugget a treat to knock it down. No. Leave him alone. He's currently sleeping, actually. He's currently laying in his bed. Like, actually in his bed. Foot age, it's all feet pics. Bro, if you manage to get my feet pics and you manage to sell them, tell me where you're selling them, because I would fucking... I would like to do that myself as well. Is this part of the North exhibit? It is. Okay, good.
Fuck you.
There we go. Alright. I'm to get swiping. If I manage to get feet pics and sell them, you're getting like 90% of the profits. Okay, Pog, let's go. Good deal. One day you get a $12 donation or a capture, and here's your profits for your feet pics. Imagine. I would be like, oh, cool, nice, thanks, man, appreciate it. That's might do that anyway for the lols. I think it's a good like prank for like some like streamers or like YouTubers or whatever.
The dinosaur went on a killing spree.
People who like accept donations and then having that as like a thing. You're like, thanks for the, this is your share for the feet pics, man. Kinda crazy. Only 6%. I like stuff upstairs. Suppose there's like stuff here as well. Let's go upstairs if there's anything up there to clean. There's not. This thing's over there. Let's quickly get that. I wish there was a map, question mark. Oh, thanks for the achievement. That was really good. I wish there was a map to like tell you what you have left and stuff. Because this is like the North Exhibition. I'm trying to find the blood, but there's like none that I could find. That doesn't count as the North Exhibition. No, that's the West Wing. This also counts as the West. That's Upper Passage. What am I missing here? %. Oh. My bad. There we go. Okay. So now it's just misplaced stuff from here, and that's pretty much that. Alright, next up is the other passage.
I can't put it back like that.
Yeah, this shit's gonna take a fucking long time. You can go down. Ugh. That was really weird. I think the one thing that I'm kind of just like about, and when it comes to like cleaning games specifically, some, out of all respect, some like it goes. It's nice. It's nice when it's like how should I say this? When it's like smaller levels, like small places to like clean. But like when it comes to like levels like these, for example, it just kind of gets overwhelming, and it just kind of sucks the satisfaction of like cleaning this. Although it's nice, it is nice, it also is a little bit annoying. And then that leads back to here. Okay. Okay. So that's the upper part done. Now we need... Let's go downstairs. Play some music. I hope this isn't copyrighted, or I'm gonna be very upset. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay. Perfect grooves. All right, we'll listen to that. I agree. I need to like, I need to actually like keep on saying stuff, or else it's just gonna, it's just not gonna say anything for the whole stream. And I'm just gonna like be quiet. Ah.
I should clean it first. If the time comes, I hope you will spare me.
Let's get the bucket. Put this bitch here. Let's get to mopping. Ugh, God. Oh, prosciutto call. Let's go.
Cleaning comes before fixing. I also wonder what some people have in their heads.
I'm happy to listen to this. The whole thing. The whole fucking museum job. Is that all of you? That is all of you. Pog. Is that all of the blood? No way. Holy shit.
Don't think about falling again.
This goes... Oh god. This is the silver ones. Okay. Just gonna put that here for now. Another painting that goes upstairs.
Now you can go back to being admired.
Okay, that's... That's where you are. Alright, cool. Let me just... Oh, fuck. Put it... There it is.
Back where you belong.
Okay. We're nearly there. Holy shit. You go over... Oh.
Lost and
Here.
found.
You go over... Hi Nina, your little pug is so cute. Thank you very much. I activate it when I am slowly dying of heat. I only activate it only then. How you doing, Nina? Hope you're doing well though. Hope you're doing good. Ow.
There you go.
Can you stop? In other words, he has no shirt on. Yeah, that's also true. I also do not have my shirt on. Good. Just chilling, lurking, working. Fair enough. What you working on? Christ. When they said let him cook, I don't think that's how what they meant. What do you mean?
Now the Pharaoh's curse won't reach me.
Trying to stop this wasting this shit and get some music in. I fucking get that. Trust me when I tell you I get that. I was planning to get some music done, however, some IRL stuff has come up and I could not get the commission money to actually like commission someone. And now I'm kind of stuck, to say the least. Wait, where the fuck? I have not seen a single place where this goes. We got this though, we do. We do. Oh. You. I do hope I do manage to like actually get it done this year. I'm really hoping. Just don't know when it will happen. Holy shit. Get rid of the trash. Head? Oh, no head? Alright, where the what is this last thing that I have not? There's one more thing that is like move furniture back to its place. What else? What else am I missing? Done everything here. Is it a painting? It's a painting. Oh fuck, where? There was a painting on the floor. Somewhere. Where though? Fuck! This is the one thing. Oh, yes!
Wait.
Are we done? Are we done?
Back on the wall.
Alright. Alright. Prosciutto core, stop for a second. I need to check. West Wing. Done. So it counts as West Wing. We're fine. Gonna head out to eat dinner. Okay, enjoy your food. Take care of yourself. I'll see you whenever I see you next. Upper Passage. Done. Cafeteria. Done. Central Exhibition. Done. North Exhibition. Done. I think that's it. I think we've done it. I think we've done it, team. Holy shit. Holy. Let's see. Crime scene cleaner. I want to see if I'm missing out any secrets. All right. Shit. That's fucking wild. Holy shit. What? Why did it become quiet? Hello? Anything else here? Doesn't look like it. I've done that one. I think that's everything. Just rob the museum, bro. Ah. Do not care. I think we're done. I think we're good. Please. Yes! Let's go! Two hours. It took me 2 hours to complete that, goddamn. Let's go! Fucking Pog in the chat, man. Holy. Holy shit. I don't use that, so I don't give a shit. I guess we can... do this. There we go. Jesus Christ. There's the dog. Hello.
Daddy's working for a mob boss, but you're still a good boy.
Hello, puppy. Work. Alright. Sleep time. Oh man. What a fucking mission, man. The warehouse? Oh.
I've been working so hard for this moment. And now, everything is finally ready. You really thought you could get away with killing my daughter? No, no, no. It's time you learned your lesson. Boys, let's get this party started.
No. Oh.
Doing this, Dexter. Working in such a despicable profession. How can I even put a stop to this?
Oh, Dexter, you good?
It's Jim. Some lazy workers tried to screw me over, so now they are dead. I have no intention of dealing with that shit again. Do you know how hard it is to find loyal employees nowadays? So how is it gonna be, Kowalski? Are you more loyal than the guys whose corpses you'll be collecting? I believe so. Check your email for details.
Each one of your tasks makes me more of a corpse, Jim.
These are the doctors told me that there are the final weeks of my treatment. I'm excited, but also nervous. It's not over yet, but I can see the finish line. I'm trying to stay positive and take it one day at a time. I can't wait to be home with you, and I know Dexter is probably waiting for me to love you. Okay, 13 bodies. Ah, fuck me, man. Alright. Another big one. But I think this might be the last mission, question mark.
It'll be a long night.
It sure will, buddy.
This was the moment when Big Jim was at his weakest. With so many people going after his ass, he needed to make a choice. If not, there probably wouldn't be anything else to anticipate but his imminent downfall.
See you in 50 hours. Fucking apparently. Don't wait.
I'm here.
Good. Now listen. The power is down, so find a way to turn it back on. It will help you a lot with your job. Obviously, when one thing goes wrong, more disasters have to follow. Those fools must have broken something.
Next to cleaner, I should definitely add electrician to my CV. No need to look for the bodies. Well armed for a worker. I can dump bodies down this hatch, if I can get it to open.
Alright, let's... Let's find this electricity box, shall we?
Will I have to put it all back? I need to clear the way first.
Oh.
Кабас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый.
Cassafras. Oh my god, Cass? Welcome to Babushka's house. You know much else slash grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Not who I think it is? Question mark. Alright, let's see. Power supply. We need to go.
The power switch should be around here, somewhere.
Oh, that was shit was scary. I don't know why. Really weird fucking like place. Alright. It is me. I know I'm following on the official account, but not on my personal one for some reason. Ah, fair enough. Hello, hope you're doing well. Are you enjoying Crime Scene Cleaner? It's fun. It's fun. It's very fun. The last mission, not so fun, but, you know, I'm willing to look past that. Alright. How are you doing, though? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Christ. Oh, okay, I guess. I am...
I'm in. Looks like an access card.
That's the lights. Fuck me, man. Shit. Doing well, spent the day paddleboarding, so now I'm happily tired and sunburned. Ooh, paddleboarding. Hope you had fun. I've never been paddleboarding or, you know, witnessed anyone paddleboard, so. Actually, no, that is a lie. I've seen paddleboarding. Okay.
Another one. Was it shot unintentionally or on purpose?
Hello, Queen. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Pug.
Well, today is my turn.
Tuna! Being nice, good. I'm glad to hear.
Jim's reinforcements must have got to him. He probably died in an explosion, along with all the electricity.
Yeah, this would be good if,
One more to the collection.
that's the elevator. I don't really need to use the elevator. Fuck me. All right.
Completely flattened. These workers really did put up some fight. That must be one of Big Jim's guys.
Let's go.
What could possibly happen that made them so desperate? I wonder.
Them lot are coming down. Anyone here? No.
The disaster was waiting to happen.
Oh. Okay. Let's see.
You can't park here, mate.
Got him. That's 7 bodies out of 13. What the fuck?
The man needed to pay for rent. They wanted to grab some things and run away. Had the whole escape planned.
On top of that, they wanted to steal my stuff. What cowards.
Let's go. Must be another area. I mean, shit. This is... I will say, it would be great if we had... If this game had, like, maybe, like, a little bit of a little bit of a map to, like, orientate yourself.
The vents look cleaner in the movies.
Among Us.
This job is the best. Nothing out of the ordinary ever happens, so I have a lot spare time to take care of my plans. Thanks for believing me. Now, I have to go for a quick round to give off the impression of a very busy person. See you soon, ma'am.
Nothing out of the ordinary ever happens.
Nope. Sure doesn't. God. I reckon some of them are like at the lift. Hold on. Alright. God.
Reinforcements arrived.
This area.
Facing the man above. He must have been the one who shot him.
Okay. Oh. Am I gonna need... Okay.
A toy for big boys.
Let me just 1 second.
workers will manage without a raise. They're pissed. You can't even pay rent when most of their payment is used to pay off the debts they have.
Ungrateful bastards. If not for me, they will already be dead. They aren't even in a position to negotiate. Keep them on a tight leash.
Look where that neglect got you.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything else? I need to find the card. Or I'm guessing it'll probably be like down the ladder, probably.
Seems like they had it all perfectly planned.
Motherfuckers. They chose death the moment they decided to go against me.
Last one.
Okay. So we have, oh, okay, hello. I can jump on that. I think I'm pretty sure I can at least. Oh wait, I think I get it. Back.
standing almighty above them all, seems to be their leader. Managed to connect the faintest of threads. I wonder if he told anybody about it.
If he had, I would have known about it by now. But still, this place is burnt. Too many people snooping around.
Okay. Let's just throw these down. Please. Thank you. Brother, stop twitching, like, thank you. And then last one. Okay, that's all the bodies. I'm gonna start cleaning, I guess. Nothing in here. At least that's all the bodies, yeah. Now it's just time to start cleaning. Let's start over here. here? No. Sorry, I'm not saying, like, anything. I am kind of, like... just concentrating at this point. Shit is... a little bit crazy.
Here, return fire.
Tiny bit crazy. Okay, a big concentrate. There is a lot. There's a huge lot. Like anything closer. Look like it. Detergent. Alright. Should probably put on some music just so it's not like this quiet. Actually, we'll put on like some Spotify music in the background. I think, so, I will say one thing. This game is a little bit more better than Power Wash, in the sense that Power Wash, Power Wash was fun. It's very satisfying. However, with Power Wash, the biggest problem, in my opinion, was the fact that, the constant kind of white noise of the power washer, and also just like getting like the minute details and shit is kind of like got a lot. And unfortunately, this is like a big problem with like these cleaning simulator games as well. Like I said, I've said this like on the previous I've said this on like the previous mission. The fact that like these areas are now getting like bigger and bigger, it just becomes more like tedious more than anything. Like, don't get me wrong, love me some cleaning. It's great, it's fun. However, there goes a point where it's just kind of like, it's just too much. Keep it nice, keep it simple, keep it like calm, to say the least. Because now we're like in a fucking huge ass area and it's just more tedious than anything. But then again, I'm not like a expert in this. Say at least Power Wash broke it up with you can do it big area and then car, then big area, then car. Yeah. But then it also, like, the thing with Power Wash as well is at least, like, it did that, but also the cars also did get bigger to the point where it kind of just, like, it became a somewhat chore. In the sense of, like, it became, like, here's the worst thing that I think I can say about Power Wash. And it's the fact that some things that you needed to clean, i.e. like, for example, I'll say the big i.e. actually, the fucking helicopter and whatever the fuck, like, when you had to, like, climb up and, like, get into, like, the tiniest, like, places to actually clean it, and you can't do it unless you're, like, at a very specific angle. It's kind of just, like, it's a bit too much, I'm not gonna lie. I get it, you need to, like, make it more challenging, need to make it more, like, nice. Need to make it more challenging or whatever, but it's kind of just goes to the point where it's just like, bro, did you QA test this? Or did you, like, make this and we're like, yeah, that works? I totally forgot that there was a fire truck. There was, yes. The fire truck, the helicopter, the bigger vehicles just became so tedious. Car, fine. Literally fine. Motorcycle, sure. Getting into, like, the bigger things and, like, they start becoming more and more tedious to actually do. I actively despise you. It's one of the reasons why I never actually finished fucking Power Wash, just full stop. It became to a point where I just kind of like I couldn't do it anymore. At least with this, with like Crime Scene Cleaner, there's at least like some variety for like the things, and you don't need to like be in like very specific angles to actually like clean shit. But yeah. Just keep the levels smaller. Just keep them like nice and simple.
Something is blocking the way.
Not every like cleaning game needs to be like not every cleaning game needs like to be fucking extra challenging. Just let people have fun. Let people enjoy the cleaning and then not be overwhelmed by the sheer size of the shit that you're going to be cleaning. Because let's be real, most of the people that actually play these games, neurodivergent as fuck. If they see something big and it gets like, it's really bad, I will tell you this right now. Bad. Very bad.
Need to empty the trash can first.
But like I said, who am I to say anything, because I'm not really like a gaming critic. I'm just a guy who plays video games. Just a guy. You do it for a living? Counts for something? Yeah, but it's... I guess.
I need to clear the way first. Forklift certified.
Like, okay, look at this shit. Like, come on. I'm trying to fucking clean this. Let me clean it. Okay, we'll sort this area out in a second. I'm done. Thank you. Wait, did that not? Oh, that's fine. Less of that, please. Thank you. I do not want to lose one of you and be upset that I did not 100% the mission because I could not find one of you in the fucking thing. Yeah, this game has some, like, at least some charm to it in the sense of, like, a little bit crazy to say, has some charm to it, and yeah, we're cleaning crime scenes. But it's more so the fact that, like, at least there's some variety. You're not looking like... Thank you. You're not looking at one thing and one thing only for, like, X amount of time, and then... Yeah.
I hate my life.
Me too, man. Yeah, and while the shells do make me happy with the color coordination, yeah, it's really good. How big they are, different areas, not just like one big house exactly. There's variety in this game. There's actually like, you know, things that are fresh. I mean, for fuck's sake, you're stacking shelves. You're literally stacking shelves. Brother. Power washer's not gonna do that.
Colorblind.
Two green boxes. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Right. If they were gonna be launched to Oblivion, I would have been like absolutely fucking upset. We need one more blue box. Wherever the fuck it's gone. I actually do not see the blue box anywhere. Oh no. Please just tell me that it's like somewhere hidden. Or at least like it got misplaced somewhere upstairs. And don't tell me I've accidentally launched it like that, actually.
Aha! Nothing shall get past me.
I think that was just placed there. So we're missing like one more oxygen tank. I guess we'll be looking for that soon. Not right now. Somewhere around here. Oh, it's here. Oh, there we go. Alright. That's... I'm pretty sure that's this level done. Time to clean this bitch up.
It won't move like this.
You know what? It's gonna be best if we just actually clean up the trash first. Okay. That does go ahead. Can you, like, okay. With all levels of disrespect, stop fucking... Shit being launched halfway across the fucking, like, screen. Or, like, halfway across the room. Because I touched it and it just fucking, like, cannot, like, I wanted to hold it. Kinda annoying, I'm not gonna lie to you. Clean now? Think so. Money. this out of the way for now. Oh. Good? Hello? Maniac. I think bro just like tripped on accident. Like on the windowsill. Well, one bro is too wide for it. Oh yeah. Just goofy airman. Anything else? Or is the fucking cuck conference over here? Necklace.
Need to empty the trash can first.
Looking for a goo. One more thing that is misplaced. This is a completely different area now. Move. Let's see. What is missing? What are we missing? Am I crazy? What? You? Am I just not seeing anything highlighted in blue? I'm looking this up. I'm genuinely looking this up. Crime scene cleaner. Work space. Furniture. The box on the ceiling lamp. The box on the ceiling lamp, nor the gas canister and paint start. Oh no, that's okay. The fuck? It's not this cockchair. Oh, fucking whatever. Not my issue right now. At least not my biggest issue right now.
Diversity, like in a British museum.
Cash, money. Okay.
A textbook safety violation.
What is it with fucking cleaning games and just, like, refusing to be 100%ed? Cool. I also need to find the last piece of evidence or clue as to what happened. And I have no idea where that is. I mean, I probably know. I just need to find the key for it, I think. That worked. Team suggesting the filing cabinet. I'm guessing you already tried moving it. That again, the filing cabinet. Yep. That's all the filing cabinets. Sorry, it's okay. Not your fault. We can close this for now. Okay. Clean up the blood. And then this deepest stains, Jesus Christ. I'll just wash with the sponge. It's all over. The EB. You know how it be. You get into it a little bit. Maybe a tiny bit. I'm so sorry that I'm just not saying anything. I'm so like entranced right now by this, by the cleaning. It's just, yeah. I guess because of the fucking, like, the little thing where the putting furniture back has a little bit pissed me off, I'm not gonna lie. There's not much I can do about it, apart from complain. Ooh. There we go. looks. Cool. Okay. That's that. Now we need to go to over here. Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this in time. We are nearing 3 hours, and it's like we're getting close to like halfway done. But like I don't know if I'm gonna finish this like in the 4 hours. I've underestimated this. That's taken quite a while. Yeah, I think it's mostly because of trying to find everything. It kind of made me like just finding everything and like looking for things. For example, bodies and stuff was a big thing. Still, I'm missing one piece of evidence. There's been 100 things, yeah, it has. Especially like the sheer size of this, it's kind of just like a little bit too much.
Fragile content, fragile box.
Maybe after I'm done with Crime Scene Cleaner, I'm just gonna fucking not play any crime like cleaning games anymore. Because it's just gonna be the same complaint that I usually have. It's just great at first until it's not. just never finish. Yeah. Just play like the first few levels and shit, and then just never fucking complete anymore. Unfortunately, with this game, they had to introduce a story, so... Really? Okay, let's get to cleaning. I wish this was co-op, so like I could get someone to just help me out with this. Not gonna lie. Shit would rule if it was co-op. Each person takes like a separate like quarter of the fucking like area or whatever. Or like one person does one thing, the other person does another thing. Like one person does mopping the floors, the other one sponges the like walls or whatever. Probably in the future. Maybe. Crime Scene Cleaner 2. Co-op gameplay, let's go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, thank God nothing happened to the fucking bucket. Somehow. God damn, bro.
Now I'm certain about who is responsible for Tammy's disappearance. Every day that I work for this scumbag makes me sick to my stomach. But I have to endure it for now. That arrogant piece of trash promoted me, so you must trust me on some level. He's weak now, and won't see what's coming.
There we go.
Jim, you will pay for what you did to my daughter.
Their leader wanted a revenge for murdering his daughter. You've made yourself some enemies.
Hire person, treat him well, and look what got me. Leave all the evidence in the office before you go. I need to take a closer look at it myself.
Will do.
Alright. Lock in. And this sponge is so much better in this situation. There we go. Am I? Now I might be crazy in thinking that I might be done.
They got a lot of dirt on you, didn't they?
Yeah. The truth is, everyone really wants a piece of Big Jim for themselves.
Sweeping everything under the rug can only get you so far, Jimmy.
Look who's talking. Oh, believe me, I can get me quite far.
So, I guess it's not your first time.
You see, once you know when the place becomes too hot, and this right here, it's scorching. That's when you move somewhere else. Maybe it's time for a little vacation.
Now, to hope that he actually means it.
Okay. Let's see. And this one. Yeah, the only thing that's left now is just the fucking furniture, whatever the fuck it is. Because I cleaned that. This shit's clean. That was just the secrets left, and that's it, I think. Just this door open, whatever that fuck that is. Okay, surely that's the keys for dance. For the energy. The power supply. Yeah. Get rid of the trash. What do you mean get rid of the trash? Well, what? I don't like that. The vent cover. Oh! Yes, actually, thank you. Yeah, right. I needed to get the vent cover for these ones as well. I think I need anything here. Alright, time to see the secrets. Let me look this up. Walking Dead. I got all the cassette tapes from what I understand. TV room. Follow the vent. Yeah, we've done that. Climb the crates, we've done that. Get up on the pipes. So what we need to do is not rush. Need to go. Still need to double check if. Need to get up there. That's the get up. Wooden plank that goes up. Oh. There you go. Anything else here? No. That's all the secrets in the cassettes, I think. Yeah, by the looks of things. What, that was a fuck ton of cash? No, it's just books. Nothing here. Like, genuinely nothing apart from the cash in the safe. Nothing. My fault for not seeing the fact that this was fucking high. Hold on. Crazy. I'll take my stepladder as well. That was awful. That was actually dreadful. I think that's everything, right? I'm pretty sure. We've done everything here. We've done everything upstairs. Done everything here, right? Let me double check. Still everything from here. Clean this place up. Clean this place up. All right.
Try not to get yourself caught, Kowalski. The underworld will always have a place for a good crime scene cleaner.
Whoa, roll credits.
We'll see about that.
Please, 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 please. Cool. It's a little bit loud. It's a little bit loud. There we go. Hold on. I'll turn it down. There we go. That's that. Less time than the other one. Yeah, just a tiny bit less time. Bro was about to get pulled over a truck with 13 bodies. Yeah, if he would have been fucked if the police would be like onto him. Shout out Polish people. But low-key fuck you for that last for the last two missions. I mean, in real life, they would be. Oh yeah, 100%. Especially with like the bodies like out in the fucking like in the just vibing outside in his pickup truck. He doesn't even have them covered, by the way. Charek the cat. Shout out to that team. Good game. Yes, I was pissed off at the last hour. But good game. Good fucking game. Enjoyed it a lot. The only cleaning sim game that I've actually finished, full stop. And that says a lot. Because the other competition is fucking Power Wash Sim. And I didn't even finish that. So. Hello? Video game? Oh, there we go. Crab Rave.
Good evening. In a significant development, notorious gangster Big Jim, real name James O'Connor, was arrested last night after a high-speed chase for reckless drunk driving.
Crazy.
Authorities have long suspected Big Jim of running money laundering operations from his warehouses and being involved in multiple murders, but he has evaded justice for years due to lack of evidence. His dramatic capture has renewed hope for law enforcement, who believe this could be a major breakthrough in their fight against organised crime. Police are urging anyone with additional information to come forward.
That's Big Jim? That's Big Jim? I thought he was gonna be Big Jim, not Slim Jim. Hello? bro looked like a twink Jim, bro. What the fuck? That's crazy. Slim Jim was taken. It was, yeah. Still. We've unlocked everything here. Dexter. Dexter, where you at? There you are. Hi, buddy.
Don't worry, Dexter. Ladies are more into good boys.
I don't need to even go to sleep anymore. Sick. Alright, Pug. So from my understanding... Okay, so what didn't I 100%? Because I know I didn't 100% one. I 100% did this. 99% trial by blood. Why did I 99% this? One job, 100%. And 100%. Why did I? I need to, yeah, that's the spot. I want to see the achievements. So, like, what are we missing? Quite a few achievements, actually. Jesus fucking Christ. Complete the modern art mission. I did. What? Calling Dead mission. I did. Destroy toilet paper pyramid. Find old music. Huh? Did I not do that? Wait, hold on a second. Am I fucking stupid? I don't see. I've done this. Okay, hold on. Complete this one. Complete this one. I don't know if I've completed this one. Maybe there's more there. Is there a new mode? I don't fit. Huh? Find all music cassettes. I've done that. I found Zach's secret room. Pop 30 balloons so we can. Yeah, okay. Music cassette for the first time. I've done that. I'm pretty sure. Complete all missions with 100% deception score. I need to do that. Throw the toaster in the bathtub. Haven't done that. Complete trial by blood with perfect score. Remember to flush. Complete a mission without breaking any items or create any stains. Complete modern art mission with perfect score. I swear I've done this. I swear I've done all of this. Hold on. Need to double check. Yeah, so okay, so Bittersweet Symphony, modern art, the art of dying, Jukebox Hero, looking out my back door, Fallen Dead and Killing in the Name. Okay, so I've done those. So now I just need to do like the other like small ones. I'll just do those in my own time. I'll genuinely just do those in my own spare time. I do want 100% this game, so I'm probably gonna, like, after stream, I'm probably gonna try and 100% this bitch. Because I feel like it's just easy, just little shit left now. Maybe the only thing I really need to do now is 100% the spa, and that's pretty much it. And that's all I need to do. Anyway, besides that, we're gonna finish the stream here. It is that time. I've completed the game. Probably just gonna vibe and chill for the rest of the night. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You've been fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Tomorrow is Monday, correct? Since tomorrow's Monday, I'm not going to be streaming. I want to get back to our usual schedule of just normal streams at a normal time, and you know, the usual. The only unusual part would be the fact that I am now going to be a PingTuber for the foreseeable future until it becomes like relatively colder. So yeah, but apart from that, that's going to be it for me for today. I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself, sleep well, or have a wonderful rest of your day and / night. And the next stream will be on Tuesday, and we'll be continuing Expedition 33. Because since I'm back, I really want to fucking continue playing that game, because we haven't fucking done it in quite a hot second. So, yeah. I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourselves. Sleep well, and bye-bye.